Okay guys, third keyboard for the day. This is Elton. Welcome back to my channel. What we have in front here is a Logitech G413 carbon series keyboard. It's a mechanical gaming keyboard. It comes in various switch colors. This is a Romo G tactile, which is made by Logitech. You can buy this for $70 US. That translates to roughly 299 ringgit in Malaysia. So it's got a very nice box here. This is an unboxing and a quick fire up video. Features: unlike the membrane keyboard, most of the features are written at the back right here. Okay, so 12 extra keycaps making your yada 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 as your gameplay included in key puller. I assume that there are 12 extra keys inside this box. I have not opened this before and I'm gonna do it with you guys shortly. So aircraft grade aluminium top case, its chassis, USB pass-through. It says charge your phone or plug in your mouse or headset, but it does not say your flash drive, so I take it as it does not transmit data, unlike the higher G512 series. So Romo G tactile by Logitech, and we are gonna be opening this blade. Yeah, it's at the sides. You gotta cut the sides. There you go. Can't find the box's opening. This is weird, man. Okay, you're gonna have to take this out from the side. So again, spot varnishing design on the box as per most other Logitechs. Box is a little bit thin on this 413, but this feels heavy. It's got a nice thick inner box, plastic wrapped as well, and of course boxes on top and bottom. Spare keycaps are here. I believe the USB cable is inside here. Alright. Yeah, so for each pass-through keyboards, it comes with two USBs. Okay, non-detachable. You might or might not break this over time, and this is where you put your mouse in here. Let's put this aside. So safety instructions, spare keycaps are inside here. Let's just pull this out. There you go. So these keycaps are actually raised up a little bit for your gaming purposes. You may swap them as you wish. However, this keyboard does not come with a keycap puller or a switch puller, so you might have to find your own way around it if you would like to replace the keycaps. I'm gonna be opening the plastic. Yep. And pull it up. So this keyboard feels a little bit on the heavier side compared to the tecwares or the cheaper Logitechs. Brushed aluminium finishing. I believe this is aluminium. Top case. So nice and shiny, just like car parts. Romo G switches. I don't like this. I do not at all like Romo G switches from Logitech, but you know, some of you may like it. I can't comment much on this, but these are blue switches. It's got pretty hard, heavy feedbacks. So again, hi, this is Elton. I'm gonna be putting this close to the microphone. Space, normal keys. So I don't know which of you guys will be buying this kind of keyboard, but yeah, some gamers, some office workers, they might like how the keyboard design is nice and slim. It's got no palm rest. Okay, you can actually raise it up at the back here to give it a little bit of offset for better positioning. And once again, one good thing about this keyboard is that it's got a pass-through outlet here for your headsets or a mouse. And that's all about it, I think. Yeah, as per all other products made in China, that's pretty much about it. So let's just pull one of this off. Switches are inside. The blue switch is probably at the bottom inside here. I'm gonna be firing this up just like what I did with the other two keyboards. So let me just switch off the lights again. Lights off. My USB tab. And we are going to light it up. So just like the other lower price Logitech's, lighting is no different right here. You can change the lighting, FN, numbers, nope. So how am I supposed to change this? Each and every Logitech keyboard has a different function, has a different way to actually change the lights. So I believe it's supposed to be F7 as there's a light button here. Nope, nothing. Okay, so yeah, I've paused the video for a little while finding ways to change the lighting. The only thing you can do is to actually adjust the dimming of the keyboard. There is nothing much you can do. However, I was also told that you are able to change the entire lighting of this keyboard by using a software on a PC, again, which I do not have. And hopefully, if you buy this keyboard, if you own any of this keyboard, you may post a link of your video of changing the lights through a software at the bottom of my comment section. So once again, this is a super duper short quick video review on budget keyboards like this, and I hope this might actually help in you guys choosing your next keyboard. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Do hit the subscribe button if you like this video.